Today's little job is to replace this window motor right here. Window motor, it doesn't work. I've got one, got it at Rock Auto. Took the door panel off, which is easy. There's two screws at the bottom, two right here for the door, and the door handle. There's one right there. There's two at the bottom. You take this little plastic trim piece off. This pops off right there on the window. Comes off. And then you drill out. I left you two little dimples. There's one. There's the other. And then there's this bolt. Take that off. Once you drill those two holes out with 3/4 inch or 1/2 inch holes, I'm going to use 3/4 inch because that's the size of the hole saw I've got. Do that, and then this comes out. So, since I don't have 3 hands or a camera person, I can show you that, but that's what I'm going to do. Alright, that's what I just used to drill the holes. My cheapo Harbor Freight lithium ion drill driver and the cheapo Harbor Freight 3/4 inch bimetal drill bit right there. And those are the resulting holes. There's one. Still has this little thing on it. Pull it off, I guess. There it goes. And there's the other one. Notice you can see the 2 bolts that need to come out underneath this. That's why they left you the dimples, so you know where to drill. Now, from everything I've read on the internet and seen on the internet, I should say, and YouTube videos, take these 3 off and disconnect this, which I'm getting ready to do next. Well, it's actually disconnected. I didn't reconnect it when I was testing it. So, should be just take these 3 out and this comes off and everything's great. And that window should stay up because there's some sort of little clock spring thing in here that, you know, keeps it up. We'll find out. I think I'll be a little cautious and maybe put some tape on it. So if I come crashing down. This is why YouTube is not always your friend. Took these 2 bolts out. The instructions said, hey, they're out of there, no problem. Took this nut off. Now watch. That thing is in there solidly. It's not coming out. Now behind here, I don't know if I can get a good shot of it in the dark, but there's a big toothed. You might be able to see it. I don't know if you can or not. There's a toothed gear, half moon gear, that the motor engages with. The gear on the motor does. Now, I'm a little bit leery of pulling on this and having this whole damn thing come down and cut my hand off from my fingers. I like my fingers, I don't want to lose them. Now, I can feel the gear right there. The gear, as a matter of fact, is right there. There's the gear. Now I have half a mind to punch that gear with a punch and a hammer, see if it comes out. Might do that. But just be advised to be cautious about things that are spring-loaded, like big-ass windows. Because if it comes down and you got your hand in there, you got a problem, son. It's called amputation, traumatic amputation, which is no good. So let's rethink this, and I'll be back. Put this nut back on there. That looks like a Torx, actually, socket. Well, it looks like a Torx screwdriver head, which would tell me that you need a Torx socket to go on there to turn that out. I'm thinking this holds the stud on the motor, and that these two bolts behind the sheet metal just kind of keep it stabilized. They're important, of course, but that is not going to come off for some reason. Now, being a cautious person, I'm going to put all this back together and study on it some more and post this video, and maybe you fellas can help me out with what's going on here, because I'm not all that eager to get involved in something that might cut my fingers off. So, here's our puzzle for today. Suggestions on what to do and how to approach this would be very welcome. Thank you.